Dropshipping really stands for good marketing. So if you do really good marketing, dropshipping will work for you for a limited time. I want you to quote me on this, on a limited time. Because your customers will be annoyed from time shipping. It takes like 2-4 business days for the customers to receive their product, and that's not really a good thing. But you can improve on that if you search for a supplier that specifically do things for you and people to help you with your products and supplying and all of those things. It can happen faster, but let me remind you here, there's a big players in the game of e-commerce, of dropshipping. Let's take an example of Amazon. The owner of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, he wants more customers. He loves his customers. They are who makes money and provide everything for the company. So without the customers, Amazon will be nothing. And if he did not put his customers first, Amazon will not be here. If we take that model as Jeff Bezos puts fast shipping and other things, and why wouldn't your future customers just go to Amazon? So you actually see the problem here. If there's Jeff Bezos and other people which put billions of dollars on their shop, their place, and it will help if you are looking for a limited time in the dropshipping place. But there's big players, and you have to strategically put your ideas, your product on a place and make it into a brand in the future. And that's the most whole problem of dropshipping, that people come early, they know the game, and they move on to their brand, which was dropshipping. And if you have a dropshipping and you want to you see a future for your business, you make it into a brand which it sells the product, but more shipping time, more better quality of the product. There's a lot of things which dropshipping missing on, and big lead players will take that opportunity and put it on their place. That's the first thing I see with dropshipping, with the Alibaba and AliExpress thing. People join in for the money, but there's people which join in for the experience. And going to experience and things you need to learn or want to learn, and going into dropshipping you need to editing skills, you need marketing skills, seeing analytics skills. It goes a lot on skills, and reminding you again, and even myself, which dropshipping is all about marketing. If you know how to market your product, your website, your site, whatever, it doesn't matter, you will get the money. If you are focusing on the money, you need to do marketing. Marketing is the air of business. Your customers are the air of your business. And that's what I want to tell you, my listeners, that dropshipping could be a thing if you switch it into a brand. And when I say a brand is a name which you put, and other normal businesses like e-commerce and I will say affiliate marketing. But affiliate marketing, it is a brand. That can be a whole debate here, okay? But that's the most likely a problem for starters, for beginners, in a way that I think I tried dropshipping personally. It haven't gone so far, but I can say it works when you run ads, because ads are way getting your customers, and that is the problem and the solution of dropshipping. Dropshipping takes a lot of time for the customer to receive, so you make it into a brand, and that's how you can solve the problem, like in home. In episode 16, let's take that in. We are going strong. We haven't missed a day so far. It is a challenge for me and being consistent, and so far I am being consistent. And this is episode 16 of Learn With Me, Learn Business With Me, and hopefully I will start a new series which is coming soon. I'm just trying not to say as much as I'm supposed to, but there's a new series which is coming. I'm working on it, working on the editing skills. I am not going to give you any spoilers, but I can promise you one thing, that I'm going to be seeing you next Friday with episode 17.